Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2012 Toyota Camry SE. It is in the Barcelona red metallic with the black and ash cloth interior. As you can see, we do have nice Yakima roof racks up top, black pinstripe, a window tint, and then coming down here to our wheels, we're running on 17-inch alloy wheels and Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Coming around back, nice rear deck lid spoiler, chrome exhaust tip. Then just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. Now stepping in. This one does have 93,546 miles. Go ahead and twist to start. So let's go ahead and check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we have a 2.5 liter dual overhead cam inline 4. It does feature dual variable valve timing with intelligence to produce 178 horsepower and 170 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming in, as you can see, your fully powered driver's seat with your power lumbar right there. Coming to your door panel, nice padded armrest with your power windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as some door storage down below. You have your traction control as well as your storage over here. And then coming to that steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel with side bolster and grip extensions. Audio as well as your mode control. You have your Bluetooth as well as voice commands and a stalk down here for your cruise control. Paddle shifters on the back of the wheel for your transmission. On the left, you do have your automatic headlights, fog lights, and blinkers. Then over on the right, your variable and speed wipers. As you can see, checking out your gauges over here, we do have your tach. In your little LCD over here, you do have your outside temperature as well as engine temperature, speedometer. You also do have your gas gauge, instant fuel economy, and your odometer right there. Nice padded and stitched dashboard on both sides. Coming to your audio system, checking out your sources. AM, FM satellite, as well as Bluetooth streaming audio, CD, auxiliary, and USB. Going to apps, we also do have your navigation system right here. Going to destination, you can't input an address from the enter destination input. Then going back to apps, you have weather, sports, Bing search, as well as Pandora, stocks, and all of this is accessible through your connected smartphone. We also do have our single zone manual climate controls below here, with your fan speed, zones, and temperature, heated mirrors. Storage with your USB and auxiliary audio inputs and a 12-volt. Here's that 6-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift from here or the paddle shifters. Cup holders, a little bit of storage down here with your 12-volt. Sliding and adjusting padded armrest with plenty of storage down in there. Glove box is damped with your owner's manuals. Then up top, manually dimming rearview mirror. You have your vanity mirror right here in your sun visor with a nice little extension. Map lights up top as well as some sunglass storage. So that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Now coming back here, as you can see, that cloth does carry through. Front seat set from my 5'9" driving frame and plenty of room, footroom down below as well. You have your door panel materials with your power window and door storage. Dual seat mat pockets as well as some storage. Then over here to my right, a nice padded armrest with cup holders. Damped cornering handles with coat hooks up top and illumination. So you go ahead and check out your dash right there. And we will check out the cargo area and then we can wrap up the video. Coming around back, to open up your trunk, there is a release inside as well as a button on your key. Go ahead and press and hold that. Coming back here, your rear seats do fold down 60/40. You have your front carpeted mats. Then underneath your cargo floor, you do have your temporary spare tire and jack. Go ahead and lock it. And that'll be it for this 2012 Toyota Camry SE. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or into the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.